In recent months, a growing trend has emerged on TikTok that has cybersecurity experts worried. AI-generated videos convincing users to run malware scripts. These persuasive videos often feature a tutorial format, mimicking legitimate how-to guides that users are accustomed to seeing. The creators of these videos exploit the desire for free access to popular software, such as Windows operating system, Microsoft Office, Spotify Premium, or CapCut. By offering seemingly simple solutions, they lure in unsuspecting individuals who may not consider the consequences of executing scripts from unknown sources. The videos are crafted to be very convincing, beginning with the influencer, often an AI-generated personality, greeting viewers with relatable and trendy language. They reassure them by citing common challenges in getting access to premium software without costs and boast a quick workaround. Step by step, the video guides the viewer through the process. It starts by visualizing the opening of Windows tools, such as the Run dialog or command prompt. The instructions are detailed, yet portrayed as easy to follow, guiding viewers to type specific PowerShell commands or URL links in their system. Social engineering plays a crucial role. These videos often exhibit comments from purported satisfied users praising the technique and claiming success. The comments section boosts credibility, comforting viewers that others have tried the method without harm. Another tactic is leveraging popular trends and hashtags. The inclusion of trendy background music and special effects, coupled with upbeat voiceovers, further disarms viewers, making the video feel more like entertainment than a potential security risk. By using AI-generated content, these attacks bypass traditional detection methods that rely on catching familiar malicious content patterns. They use diverse and trending visuals and sounds that are inherently more difficult to classify as harmful. While sites like TikTok strive to regulate content, the dynamic ecosystem of AI generation presents challenges for moderation. Cyber safety campaigns emphasize the importance of verifying any quirky tutorial that promises shortcuts to access premium services, underscoring the need for digital literacy in an age where AI can simulate authenticity. Ultimately, these AI-generated TikTok videos serve as a reminder of the evolving arena of social media threats, making users and cybersecurity professionals rethink methods to combat deception through platforms they once engaged with for sheer entertainment. In the shadows of the digital realm, a silent storm brewed. Emerging from the depths of the internet, meticulously crafted videos began appearing on TikTok. They featured brilliantly lifelike visuals and voiceovers that exuded a sound of confidence. Yet, beneath this mask lurked the hidden mischief of artificial generation. The identical style across videos, with only minor tweaks, pointed to a well-oiled machine of automated bulk production. At first glance, these videos appeared to be a harmless wave in a vast ocean of TikTok content. However, their innocuous exterior hid a sinister core. While TikTok security systems vigilantly scan for malicious links in descriptions or comments, these videos craftily bypassed the usual safeguards. They embedded instructions not in the apparent sections, but directly within the video content itself. The cleverness lay in this unconventional delivery. Traditional security tools and TikTok's detection systems were left in the dust, as they could find no trace of hosted malicious code on the platform itself. Instead, within these videos thrived the art of social engineering. Guided by the persuasive AI voices, users were unwittingly led down a dangerous path. The videos subtly instructed them to perform seemingly innocuous actions. Copy this PowerShell script and see the magic, they might say. Yet, these scripts were wolves in sheep's clothing. Once executed, the scripts acted as digital parasites, downloading and running remote malware payloads. The malware, cunningly disguised, installed treacherous programs like VDAR and StealC into user systems. In the digital world, TikTok has rapidly become a platform of immense influence, with its algorithm capable of propelling content to virality at unprecedented speeds. This is where the exploitation begins. The algorithm favors content with high engagement metrics, such as likes, comments, and views, thereby further amplifying their visibility. This dynamic makes TikTok a fertile ground for social engineering scams, particularly those under the guise of seemingly benign AI-generated tutorials. The click fix tactic emerges as a sinister method employing social engineering to deceive users. It takes advantage of fake error messages or prompts, tricking them into running commands under the illusion of fixing or activating essential software. Behind the guise of these instructions lies a devastating impact: the unsuspected installation of malware cleverly embedded within the commands that users run. The coordinated attack leverages the trust users place in these TikTok videos. Each tutorial is crafted to appear authentic, employing smooth narration and professional-looking graphics. Viewers are led through steps that seem routine, but in reality, guidance is manipulated to make them execute specific PowerShell commands. These commands, once run, secretly plant information-stealing malware, which begins its silent work without the user's knowledge. Part of what makes this scam so successful is TikTok's algorithm, which, due to its design, inadvertently boosts the reach of such malicious content. As viewers engage with these videos, their perceived validity increases, along with the likelihood of more users being exposed and falling victim. The sophisticated use of AI in generating these tutorials eliminates detectable malicious links, as traditional scam tactics might employ. The absence of obvious signs of danger lowers the guard of even the wary digital user, leaving them vulnerable to the onslaught. With TikTok's influence amongst younger demographics, who often embrace new technological engagement ways, the threat magnitude extends far and wide. Amid rising concerns, the hope is for platforms to develop more robust detection systems.